Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're new here. In today's video, I'm very excited because I'm doing my first makeup tutorial in forever. I posted one on my channel like 2 years ago, but obviously I've changed a lot in the way that I do my makeup, I feel like. So I'm sitting here on this lovely Tuesday morning drinking my coffee. But this tutorial is using these two bad boys. So they're the new Colourpop Frozen collection. So we have the Anna one, and this is what the inside looks like. And then there's the Elsa one, and that's what the inside looks like. Each one has an eyeshadow palette, a glitterly obsessed glitter gel, a lipstick, and ultra glossy lip. So I'm going to do 2 separate tutorials using both these palettes. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start with the Anna collection, and I'm going to use everything in this box. So I always start with my eyes. I have my mirror right here, so if I look this way, I'm looking at the mirror. So she just always gets on me. With this eyeshadow primer, you have to work quickly. This is the one that I mentioned in my 2019's favorites video from my last video. With this eyeshadow primer, you have to work so fast because it dries down. Like, you can't do like both swipes of the eyes and then do one eye and then do the other. No, you have to like immediately work with the eye that you put the eyeshadow primer down on. Winner, I'm filming a video. You have to get down, babies. Thank you. So these are dirty. Don't judge me, because don't judge me. This is the new the Colourpop brush roll that was out on Black Friday. They're a little dirty. I don't have a swatch thing that cleans the brushes. But I'm gonna be using this for the eyeshadow that I'll be applying. So this is what the Anna palette looks like. I'm going to dive in and create a makeup look. So first I'm going to take the color Wind right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Oh, this brush that I used was the E15 brush. Now I'm going to take the E18 brush. I didn't clean these. I'm so sorry. I should have cleaned them last night. Okay. Anyway. So I really want to use the sparkly glitter because I'm trying to use everything in the box. I'm going to take the shade Adventure right here. Tap it off. And I'm going to concentrate that in my outer corners. Now I have this pretty round on top and the purple on the corner. This E3 brush. And dip it into the Glitterly Obsessed. This stuff is pigmented. I've already tried it. Like, oh my god. film the entire thing and the camera stopped recording. But I don't know that because no one's here with me and I don't have a external monitor, so I can't see myself. Anyway, I'm gonna use the same products on my actual face that I'm gonna use in my Elsa video, but for my lips, and I think that I got enough recorded that you saw me do my eyes, so I put the Glitterly Obsessed that came in the Anna palette right here, and then I did, as you probably saw, I think I got enough recorded of that, this color, Adventure, in the outer corners. This color, Wind, is on my crease. In my underneath, right underneath my lash line, my lower lash line, I have Warm Hugs on the outside and then Wind on the inside. For my inner corner highlight, I put Scooch In, and for my brow highlight. And then for the lips, I put on the lipstick first in Going North. I put that on my lips. And then for the ultra glossy lip in Free Spirit, I put that right here. But I'll show you all the products that I used on my actual face in just a second. So let's do that part and pray that I don't have to check it every 5 minutes. But now let's get into the Elsa palette. Now I'm going to do the Elsa part. So this is the Elsa collection. Again, it has the same things, the eyeshadow palette, the Luxe lipstick, the Glitterly Obsessed, and the Ultra Glossy lip. So I already applied the same eyeshadow primer that I applied in the Anna one. I did wipe down my makeup brushes. I'm going to grab the eyeshadow palette, open it up. So I'm going to use Fire as the crease shade. Tap that off. Okay, now I'm going to take this E18 brush and I'm going to dip it into this shade Gale. Is that a person's name in the movie? That's not the boyfriend's name, is it? I have no idea. Dip that in there. Tap it off. And I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner. And kind of move it out into the middle of the lid as well. I use the same brush, the E18 brush, and go into the shade Winter, the blue one. Ooh, that's pigmented. And I'm going to place that on the outer corners. Blend. I'm going to go back in the purple shade on the other side of the brush. I do really like this palette. These palettes have a mirror, by the way. I really do like that. I'm going to reach in and get the Glitterly Obsessed in the shade The Dark Sea. Open that up. Really pretty. Take my E3 brush. Actually, I'm going to do the L1 brush because I want to get a precise tip. I just really get it in there. Yeah. Will this work? I have no idea. Let's try. I don't know how I feel about that. I kind of like it. I don't know. Then we're going to go back in with the blue, the winter shade. I really do want to pack that on. On to the face. This is the part that you did not see in the Anna one, but I'm going to do it exactly the same. I'm using my Soft Focus Glow Drops. I got this in my FabFitFun Winter Box. And it's an illuminating primer. So you just put three drops. I have a sparkle hanging off my eye. Okay. And then just put that on your face. I'm going to take the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation that I mentioned in my member favorites. And this shade is too dark for me. I went to Ulta to get more and they were all out of the shade that I wanted. So I'm going to put the LA Girl Pro Coverage White Foundation on top to make it a little more fair, and then we're just gonna do our foundation. I don't understand why my camera keeps shutting off. So, last thing you saw was my foundation. I put on the blush sticks, Colourpop. Should I be doing this video? Like, this is a flop. A freaking flop. I put on this. I put on this bronzer. The Park Ave Princess Bronzer. I'm sorry, I'm just annoyed by my camera. I like to mix these two colors together. Two colors that I use for my bronzer. I put on the Thrive Cosmetics setting powder in translucent. I put on that. Now I'm putting on the Innuendo by Colourpop. I'm mixing these two shades and I already highlighted my cheekbones. And just my nose and my forehead I like to do. Get it all glowy. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. So now I'm going to dive back into this palette. And I'm going to dive into that purple color. Gale. And put that on the inner part. Like I did in the Anna video. Putting my Thrive Cosmetics mascara on. What time is it? Have to leave for class in 1 hour. The Morphe setting spray. A freaking dream, I swear. Now, for the lips. So now for the lips. This might not go with the eyes, but I want to use it. It's in the color Little Snow. It's the Luxe lipstick that comes in the collection. Now I'm going to reach in and get this little bad boy and put this in the middle of the lips. So that completes the Elsa look. I really like it, I must say. The lipstick, not the biggest fan of, but that's okay. It maybe look better with a different eyeshadow look. So that was my video using the new Colourpop Frozen collection. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry that you're going to see little clips and clips and clips because my camera just kept going out. I don't know what's wrong with it. I just bought it. But anyway, that completes this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, sorry. And comment below which look was your favorite out of the two. Thank you for watching. Bye.